Hello guys, it's your channel that Garden Design. Today I came with a new video that is the benefit of the areca palm. Now we are going to see benefit of the areca palm. This is the areca palm tree plant and we can plant in our home. So lots of benefit you can get from this. So just see here. I will explain you one by one how many benefits are there and what are the facts of the areca palm. First, it helps to improve our air humidity. It improves air humidity. Do you know breathing dry air can cause eye itching, skin irritation, skin dryness, and sore throat and tightness around the joints. So, it can also make you look older, causes wrinkle and fine lines. And if you are suffering from respiratory ailments like sinuses, asthma, this dry air makes them worse. Those who use heaters and air conditioners face the issues of the dry air, but growing houseplants like areca palm in your home is one way to increase relative humidity around yourself. That is the most important benefit. One more important benefit that it is easy to look after. Too much easy means maintenance. Areca palm is a low maintenance. It is a low maintenance plant and it doesn't mind occasional overwatering. Unlike the other house plants, it doesn't mind occasional overwatering. You can easily pour it to control the size. The only requirement is exposure to bright indirect light because it can't grow in a dark spot. So there is necessary of bright indirect light. It helps to improve its productivity. Next, it absorbs the indoor air pollutions. It absorbs indoor air pollutant. What are the air pollutant? Here, according to the NASA Clean Air Study, areca palm can help in the reduction of indoor pollution by breaking down compounds such as acetone, xylene, and formaldehyde, and even resulting in pollution-free air to breathe. Even it helps to emit more oxygen. The plants with more surface area of leaves can produce more oxygen, and areca palm is one such plant. We also added it to our list of indoor plants that produce oxygen. Even two areas here, if you just plant two areca palms in 100 square feet area, it can increase the oxygen level indoors. Next and most important benefit, it is safe from our pets. Nowadays, we people are keeping different animals or pets in our home. So here there are not many houseplants that are safe for kids and pets. But according to ASPCA, the areca palm is not toxic to cat, dogs and horses. Yes, they can easily wander in your home. Even it helps in decreasing stress. This areca palm, it is very helpful to decrease the stress. According to the study by the University of Vermont, plants like areca palm, it helps in reducing anxiety by 37%, depression by 58%, and fatigue by 38%, thereby increasing productivity and positivity. One more important benefit, it is beautifies the interior. So when you are planting areca palm, it is like a interior beneficial and even beautifies the interior. The fine texture leaves of areca palm remains and green all year around with minimal effort. It can bring beauty to your home by giving it tropical touch. Also, the large fronds create a bold statement with huge fan-like foliage. One more important, that is a feng shui plant. It is a feng shui plant. How? See here, if you believe in feng shui, the areca palm plant is considered lucky. It brings wealth, peace, and prosperity to the house. It pushing out negative energy and attracting positivity. As per the feng shui says that they're keeping this plant in the east, southeast, or south and north direction. It enhances productivity. Now, these are the benefits we already understood. Now, when we are planting this areca palm or when we are deciding to plant this areca palm, we have to take care of few things. That if you are keeping the plant indoors, this provide bright indirect light. You should provide indirect light. Next, you have to be avoid exposure to direct harsh sunlight as it can burn the foliage. Since it is a tropical plant, keep the soil slightly moist. Even avoid growing it in an overly large container and maintain its size by pruning. These are care you have to take for areca palm. Benefit you got. Now you can easily plant areca palm in your home to take more benefit. So guys, you just wait and watch for the next video. Thank you.